Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Comment if you know where this is. Why are you pulling out recklessly into traffic? Paying attention is the most important thing while driving. A bunny tried to unalive himself using my car. Got a couple getting freaky in the middle of the road.
I'm not finna flush this damn windshield.
Why I see the windshield? What the fuck is it? This nigga's bit. What? Do you have that on Dashcam? Yes! Yo! 12:21.
Why is it always a red car? Let me just skip the red light. Head-on collisions are the worst. Holy, did this car just flip?
A few moments later. Twenty minutes later.
Help me identify the license plates vehicles from this hit and run. They must have nearly missed a collision here by a few inches.
2 hours later.
'30th, 1903, 3 decades after the Great Fire decimated much of the city.
Holy shit! What the f*** are you doing?
From a broken spotlight.
What the f***?
This driver passes on the highway into oncoming traffic and gets caught. This idiot almost causes an accident on an interstate after making an illegal turn. I guess red lights are optional for trucks. This aggressive, reckless idiot nearly pushed 4 people off the road. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.